Everyone, welcome to my channel Inner and Outer, where I'm going to talk about today how to do scissor cut at home easiest way. So stay with me till the end to learn tricks and tips for scissor haircut at home. Let's start it. So this is a hair, like you can see. So we are going to do the scissor cut for the scissor cut. I'm going to do outside perimeter first, and then we are going to start on the top. So always wet your hair nicely for the scissor cut, so you can see more better, and it won't be like some of the hair longer and some of the hair shorter. Okay, can you look up? Thank you. Okay, so first step, like for the kids, this is like the ear. You can take the guidelines from where to do their ear, like side bun trim. Okay. Okay, and this sides it goes just around. And always keep the comb in between your ear and your hair, because you don't want any harm on the ear. So I'm holding my hair like opposite direction, because do you see here I did like on the top, like front side. So like when you do, you will see like the clear line, and this is not like the finish hairline. We are just taking the guideline first. So here, and do not open your scissors all the way like this. There are more chances you're going to cut someone. So just open a little bit. And this here goes on the front. Can you look down, baby? Thank you. Okay, so this is just like estimate guideline for outline. On the top, as you see, kids hair is not like grown fully on the front line. So for the kids especially, you can do like other people, they're older or like teenagers, you can start from here and cut their hair. But as the kids, their hairline is like not like grown fully. So sometimes when you cut, their hair gets like crooked line, or like sometimes you can see there is like the thinnerness in between the hairline. So what I do for the kids, I don't touch the first hairline. Okay, do you see this kid, though he don't have like the hair more here, so this is like at least my guideline, even like, so I'm not touching, and here I'm going to cut. So here, cutting wise, as you see, this top portion I'm going to cut in the straight line. This portion goes on the cross like this way, and this portion also goes across like this way. Okay, and as I'm repeating one more time, as I said, do not open the scissor more wide, just a little at a time, and cut the hair. When you're cutting, do you see this line is done? So when I'm taking the hair from this line, you will see the guideline under here. Do you see that? So this is a small guidelines where I get like my measure from earlier, and go beyond. But like here, this cowlick area, most of the kids have the cowlick area where the hair gets more puffier if you go shorter. So make sure this area, trick number 2, this area stays at least minimum 2 inches longer. Okay, do you see these ones? So I'm keeping, so either you can measure with your comb where you can see 2 inches here, or you can like estimate. So like this is my 2 inches, okay? So I'm keeping, and like you can see that. Okay, so not much. And then as I said, like we are going the cross. We did the first part in between. If you are taking like small sections, then definitely you have to go like little bit, at least that wide range, and there's just a straight haircut on the top. This section, it goes on the side, and the same thing. Okay, so you are done for the front. Okay. And now on the side, so we did like first this section, now we are moving to this section. So this is my finger length. So finger length is different for every person, it's depend on the finger size. So let's see on the sides now. So we already cut this part, so I'm taking the guideline using the finger and cutting that. And this time we are going around this line, okay? Just the straight. I'm not touching anything on like this area, but like this line first, because I need to check this area stands out or not. And here where you cut like this cross line and this is straight line, you cut it here this way. So now I'm checking like connection in between. So when you lift the hair, you will see some of the hair. So you can just join that two lines. Do you see? One point is here and another is on the top, the shorter one. So I'm just connecting both the lines. Do you see these ones? And this one on the top. So I'm just connecting in between here. So same I'm going to do on other side, where like the joint, because this was our like cross line and this was, we cut the straight like 90 degree here. So you can see here too. See, the shorter and this is shorter, these are in between longer. So I'm just cutting that one so it won't look disconnected. Okay, and now we are doing on the perimeter. So if you have, you can see if you can fit it in the finger, you can cut. If it's not, we are going to do like with, when we'll do like outline with the trimmer. So I'm doing the same thing with the finger. Look straight, good boy. And for the kids, if you think like your kid is not going to sit like proper or like it's keep moving, the another trick is like put the tablet in front of them or mobile, but do not give in their hand. Put it on the like the table or something and let them look on the screen. So in that case, they are not moving. Okay, so we are done in this way. So now is just the finishing on the front. Okay, so here you can see on the top as we cut hair like this. So some of the kids, they have like more like straight hair, like dense hair. You can see the lines here. So how to erase that lines? You don't see here, but definitely you are going to notice it here. Okay, do you see this line here? So that line to erase, the line like you get like kind of like steps. So we cut it like this way. We are erasing other side. So opposite side. So I'm going to check if any line or any big hair in between. So do you see here? This is the thing in between. So I'm going to cut that piece. So always check your hair like that way. Yep, do you see here? So you can check other side. Okay, and now on the front, as I mentioned, kids haircut on the front there always goes like up and down. Now I'm going to take that like border line for the kids. Slowly make like okay. Now as we left this hair down, you will see like the thickness on the front. So now we are going to do, good job, thank you. So this hair we are going to connect. See, you can lift the hair and see if you have any longer piece between the base hair and this hair. So you can see just a little bit. I'm not cutting too much because otherwise you are going to cut too much on the front. See, so this hair is like falling down. I'm okay with it. So I'm just creating like straight line here. So you don't see like the bangs for the kids. It will be like the more softer in this way. So you don't see the straight line like the girls. Okay. Okay, and if you want like go a little higher, it's up to you. But like for him, like he don't like it to go higher. And later the end part. So this is like we did like our haircut. Now I'm going to use a trimmer. So for the trimmer, and even like on this area, as when you cut your hair this side, we left it this area for him first. So I'm just going to check and blend that area here. So average hair growth for each person is 5 inch. Okay, so this is his done. So the last step for the haircut, I'm using the trimmer. So for the kids, do not use like brand new trimmer because their skin is more sensitive. There are more chances you are going to cut their skin. And for also like here, so like make a line. As I said, like you can get like guidelines from like this point, or in between in this point. Okay. So look up straight. Thank you. And like see, this is the point. So but I want like here. So I cut this portion and just a little bit with this like the edges. And here also, this I'm just creating the guideline for them. And when I cut this portion, you pull the hair back. And then behind you are folding the ear forward. Okay. On the back, look down. Thank you. And make the straight line here. With the hairline in the back, they're like you can do like V, you can do like just a straight line, or you can do like U shape, like the curve. So for him, you can see like this side is like pointed curvy, but this side is not. So this side is like point curvy. Do you see the thing? That's a natural. So even if I keep it, it's not, when I comb his hair, it's not going to stay like the straight. So I'm going to like curve the hair, just the point. Okay, and the same. And around the ear, I always use the points. I always use the point, not the whole thing. Okay, look straight. And as our guideline was like here, so this is our guideline. And you can just trim around the hair. And this one, pull back. Okay, look, tilt little bit, thank you. And then I'm going to cut this here. And even you can hold the with the comb. Okay. Okay, so you can see his hair on the front, and if you want to comb on the side, you can do that. Okay, so this is our finished look. Thanks for watching. If you have any question and concern or any more tips do you want, just let me know. I'll be with you till the time. Stay tuned. See you soon till the next video. Bye. Thank you.